Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bonbons using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need about 200 grams of good quality chocolate, 100 milliliters of heavy cream, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure you have a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan, plus some small molds or parchment paper ready. Selecting excellent chocolate is key for a delicious result. Now let's create the luscious ganache filling. Gently heat 100 milliliters of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer, but do not boil it. Remove it from the heat and pour it over 200 grams of finely chopped chocolate in a bowl. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then stir slowly until it becomes a perfectly smooth, glossy mixture. You can then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla or your favorite liqueur. Once your ganache is ready, let it cool at room temperature for about 30 minutes until it is thick enough to handle. Then, using a small spoon or a melon baller, scoop out small portions. Roll these portions between your palms to form uniform, bite-sized balls. Place these perfectly shaped centers onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, pop them into the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes, ensuring they become nice and firm. For the grand finale, we will give our bonbons their beautiful chocolate shell. Melt about 200 grams of your preferred coating chocolate in a double boiler, ensuring it is smooth and fluid. Carefully dip each chilled ganache center into the melted chocolate, using a fork to lift it out. Let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the coated bonbons back onto the parchment paper. You can then decorate them with sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle before they set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.